What's good, YouTube? You're back on S Motorsports. Today we're going to be doing some pulls in the LQ4 swapped TransAm. Alright guys, so today I want to do some pulls in the TransAm and get some more cruising clips as I promised you guys and gals, maybe one or two, that I was going to do that, and I want to do that before the snow flies as it is quickly approaching here in Wisconsin. Let's hook up some cameras, get stuff positioned so we have some good clips of doing some pulls and you can hear what this baby really sounds like. Alright guys, winter is soon approaching and you can get yourself some S Motorsports apparel for the winter. Link will be in the description to the store, but you can go ahead and support the channel, get yourself a new S Motorsports hat as well as S Motorsports t-shirts and sweatshirts for the winter season. And my new favorite is this S Motorsports Richardson style hat. Definitely looks good. So make sure to support the channel and get you some merch. Thanks guys. All right, let's get that cold start. I've been working on the starting for it, or the fueling, and I think I got her dialed in. Let's see. This is complete cold start. That was okay. I changed a little something. I think I might change it back. Might be too much fuel. Getting things dialed in. My base running airflow is not quite perfect yet. That's still kind of the idle, and like when you let off the throttle, that's still a work in progress. But I mean, it honestly drives pretty good. I adjusted a few trans things to help that first gear shift. The shift kit really firms that first gear shift up quite a bit, so kind of took some back, so it shifts a little nicer in the first. Otherwise, it drives pretty normal. That first gear shift definitely helped out a lot. And just an FYI, we got a full tank of fuel, so we're good there. If we can get a small pull here. I really don't like how the idle is going so low now. Right here. Let's see if I get any trouble. I got a blinker on. We'll see. You guys let me know. He's following me. I'll check you back in the garage. All right, guys, so a quick drive for you and getting some pulls. Let me know how it sounds, as it's pretty quick. I mean, I will give it to this LS platform over the LT platform. LS platform in this car is a riot, and it's definitely a lot more raw than the Camaro, as you know, this is not as maybe stable as the Camaro, and it definitely feels like you're moving in this car. So let me know what you guys think if you enjoyed that, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.